Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Tiwari. Hope you all are doing fine during this global pandemic due to COVID-19. My name is Pankaj Tiwari. This is my first video on any social platform, but this time, to be honest, I could not resist myself. The reason is because the topic is very sensitive and crucial based on the current situation that we all are fighting against, and to be precise about the precautions that what we should take to fight and prevent this COVID-19 and win over this pandemic situation. The more you will create awareness, the more it will help people outside in your society. Though there would have been a lot of awareness created around this, around entire globe on this pandemic situation due to COVID-19, but I also thought to contribute a little bit from my side so that it can help people outside and in my society, my relatives, my friends. So सबसे पहले जो लोग इस बीमारी से बहुत ज़्यादा डर रहे हैं, if they are thinking that this is something that they cannot fight against, then please do not panic. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. We know इस बीमारी का कोई अभी तक इलाज नहीं है, कोई वैक्सीन तैयार नहीं हुई है, but that does not mean that we cannot fight against it. If we follow some precautionary measures, then we can be safe and we can fight and win. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट और सबसे ज़रूरी जो चीज़ है हमें इस टाइम पर फॉलो करने की, वो है that we should stay home as much as we can. We need to stay indoors, stay isolated, quarantined, and not to be a part of social gatherings. बिना किसी रीज़न के अगर ज़रूरी नहीं है, we should not go out. I know there would be things that we need to go out for medicines, for buying groceries and anything like that. We will go. We don't have to think twice on that. But government has already made some rules and regulations and guidelines. Would request to please follow them and then go out. But if it is not necessary, please don't go out. Because अगर आप घर के अंदर हैं, by staying home, you are not only helping yourself, but your loved ones, your family, your society, each and everyone around you. And this can be a great help, and you can contribute a lot to your society by staying home to fight and prevent the spread of this COVID-19. The second important thing that we need to follow is the use of mask. I would request everyone to use mask on regular basis whenever you are going out for anything. Like अगर आप groceries लेने जा रहे हो, अगर आप fruits, medicines, or for any reason if you are going out, please use mask. I know गवर्नमेंट ने इसको कंपलसरी कर दिया है in all the states, but more than government is making it compulsory, this is our responsibility to use it and to help our society to again prevent the spread of this COVID-19. The next important thing that we need to follow is wash our hands on regular basis. Whenever you are going out and coming back, please wash your hands with soap and water. And if you are going out where you cannot have soap and water every time available, please carry sanitizer along with you so that you can wash your hands regularly, rub it with sanitizer. Whatever thing that you touch, please after that use your sanitizer, wash your hands, and then do your regular work. Even though you are at home, that try and wash your hands on regular basis, not as much as you will do it outside, but we will have to do that. Along with that, जब आप कोई भी सामान बाहर से लेकर आ रहे हैं, and like vegetables, we need to make sure that हम उन सब्जियों को प्रॉपर तरीके से with hot water साफ़ करें, and anything like कोई और सामान हो, please make sure that if it is cleanable, we can clean it with hot water, wash it and then use it, because this is very, very important. Sometimes whatever we are eating, that can be spread by eating as well, so we need to prevent the spread of COVID-19 by following these norms as well. I know following all these is not as easy as it looks, but we all are warriors in life, and in life we all are fighting with something or the other every day. So let's ensure that we come together and fight against this pandemic and prevent the spread of this COVID-19 virus. Thank you all very much, and I wish you good health. Stay safe.